This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study neurology in medical school, updated. Start with a clear plan. Set weekly goals, allocate core topics per day, and block focused study sessions using the Pomodoro technique. Combine concise anatomy, review with bedside exam practice, and reinforce learning with flashcards and short case quizzes. Track progress weekly and adjust pacing if concepts remain unclear, ensuring steady, sustainable improvement without burnout. Combine exam technique with test preparation in a single workflow. Dedicate shifts to perform complete neurological exams and refine your narration of findings. After each patient encounter, summarize a concise differential and management plan, then compare with supervisors. For written exams, time yourself on practice questions and review rationales carefully. This integrated method builds both hands-on competence and exam confidence in parallel, reducing last-minute cramming. If you're enjoying the video, please subscribe and like to support more practical tips. Quick recommendation: consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for effortless floor care, especially when study time is limited. Voice control and reliable cleaning free up hours each week. I find it handy between shifts and long study sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Choose a small set of trusted resources and stick with them consistently. Use diagram-rich materials for circuits and pathways, and short procedural videos for exam maneuvers. Create targeted flashcards for high-yield facts and update them after each clinical encounter. Schedule quick daily review sessions to leverage spaced repetition, and prioritize quality over quantity when adding new resources to your library to maintain focus and momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.